Good morning from beautiful and snowy Trondheim. It's such a great day and I've really got the Christmas feeling with all this snow. It's white everywhere and that's so nice. So we're out for a little run and trying to make some cool shots. See you later. It's December and I think that calls for some Christmas decorating in my cute little house here. But this tree needs some light, so let's see what we can do here. Nice, it's lighted and that's good. So let the Christmas come. Well, it's still 20 days left, but who cares? I love Christmas. No Christmas without food, so I'm given the task to make us dinner tonight. I'm at Circus shopping to get my cousin Leah a Christmas gift. She has a long list, so I have a lot of things to choose between, and hopefully we'll get some great Christmas gifts. Chica and I are out on our first cross-country session of the year, and Chica is as usual barking as a mad dog. She's barking like this the whole time while we're skiing, which is really annoying, and I get a little embarrassed, Chica, when we meet people and you're barking like this. Good evening. It's Sunday, it's 9 o'clock, and tomorrow is my exam, which I'm not really looking forward to, but I'm really looking forward to being done. And after that, it's Christmas, so that's a good thing. I'm really sorry I haven't gotten to shoot like really cool stuff this week because I've had to do some preparation for this exam. I'm gonna continue doing this for an hour or two now, and then I'm going to bed, and tomorrow morning hopefully I will nail my exam. And yeah, I guess I'll see you then. Hopefully happy with my exam and as a passing student. See you later. Good night. Guess who passed their exam? Well, I don't know if I passed, but I felt good. So there was good tasks. It was just what I expected, or at least what I've been reading for. So that's a good thing. I'm really happy about that. Now I'm on my way to the gym, which is the first time since this summer because I haven't been training in the gym this year. I've done most of my training outside. Well, I'm really happy about my exam being done, so I want to celebrate this with a giveaway, but I don't know what to give away, so I need your help. Please comment down here what do you want the giveaway to be, and we'll do it next week. Done with the first gym training since June, I think, which means tomorrow is gonna be really painful. But first we're gonna party because we've done with our exams and we have to celebrate. So I'm going to get back home, get my Red Bull, which is my party drink, no alcohol for me, and then we're just gonna have some fun. I'll try to make some shots from there, so I'll see you there. Good night there, people. So this is happening right now. It's 1 a.m. and I'm on my way home. And I guess that's a really good thing about not drinking alcohol. You can just be fit enough to run back home in the middle of the night, even though I really wish I was home in my bed by now. But we had a great celebration. So now I'm just gonna run. See you later. Good night. Good morning, guys. I'm at the Vårvik, which is maybe the most beautiful place in Trondheim. I decided that I want to give away either these sunglasses or this one from the Olympics in Sochi. So now I just need your help to decide which one should be the giveaway. So just comment down below and we'll do the giveaway next week. And that's it for this week's vlog. I'll see you next week. Thank you. Hey, and sorry, remember, subscribe and please like the video. I would really appreciate it. Bye.